We would like to know about your product which you are exhibiting in this show.
Hi, this is Dayal from company Cojali. So we are representing our product in India from the year 2012, and this is basically, as my colleague has said, is a multi-brand diagnostic scanner for the commercial vehicle, for the earth mover equipment, for the marine, and you can see this is our hardware. This is a single hardware with all the cables that you can connect. And here we have our software that can represent about the commercial vehicle, for the buses, for the light commercial vehicle, for the earth mover equipment, for the AGV, and for the stationary engines.
So we would like to know what are the applications and how it can be useful in CV.
See, the main advantage of this multi-brand diagnostic scanner is you can scan all type of brands which are running in the Indian market, like Ashok Leyland, Tata, Volvo, Scania, Mercedes, Isuzu, MAN, Mahindra. So all those brands that you can scan with the all like systems, you can scan engines, transmission, body control unit, air braking systems, suspension system, safety system, body control unit. So all those systems that you can scan, you can diagnose, you will able to understand about the problem in the vehicle and how to resolve that problem. There is a step-by-step troubleshooting is there, and with the more technical informations like wiring diagram, with vehicle technical data, service data, and yeah, there are like lot of parameters that which mainly customers are looking for, like for the after exhaust gas reading, and like for ADRI systems, for the cylinder cutout test, injector coding, compression test, and even to change the speed limit and all those things. So all those parameters that we can change from this multi-brand diagnosis.
Sir, I would like to know you are partnering here for to promote it in India. So I would like to know like how Indian market is responding to it.
Representative of Jaltest in India.
क्या सर हमें बताइए कि इंडिया में कैसे इसका प्रमोशन होने वाला है, या अगर ऑलरेडी ये मार्केट में है तो कैसे इंडिया का रिस्पॉन्स है.
बेसिकली अभी इंडिया में जो है ग्रोथ हो रहा है धीरे धीरे. हमें इस पर और काम करना पड़ेगा. आने वाले टाइम में काफ़ी अच्छा स्कोप है इसमें. जो गाड़ियाँ यूरो 6 है, यूरो 3 है, यूरो 4 है, उसमें बिना स्कैनर से काम नहीं कर सकते. तो जितने भी मल्टी ब्रांड वर्कशॉप है, जैसे टाटा के, महिंद्रा के, भारत में मैकेनिक सिंगल वर्कशॉप में सारी गाड़ियों का जो काम करते हैं, उनको ये प्रॉब्लम आती है कि कैसे प्रॉब्लम आती है तो रेक्टिफाई करें. तो इसके लिए ये जो स्कैनर है बहुत बढ़िया है, और इसमें वो एक ही मल्टी ब्रांड स्कैनर से सारी गाड़ियों को कर सकते हैं. और इसमें ट्रबल शूटिंग भी है, कंपोनेंट लोकेशन भी है, वायरिंग डायग्राम भी है, हाउ टू रिपेयर मैनुअल्स है इसमें. ये सारे एप्लीकेशन बहुत बढ़िया काम करते हैं, और आने वाले टाइम में इसका स्कोप है.